Damn, it's pretty bright out here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel finally for another video. I just gave you guys a sneak peek right there. I'm gonna just let you guys know right now, don't get mad at me for making this a clickbait title. I kind of just wanted to let you guys know what happened real quick, because I did pick up a daily, you guys, and I'm excited for it. Honestly, it's not a really exciting daily, but it is a good daily, and it is gonna do what I need it to do, you know, and that is get me some time to work on the Mustang, be able to do more modifications to it and stuff like that. Right now I was kind of limited on what I could do because I have work and stuff, and I can't really be having the car sit out too long, you know. So now I could probably buy long tubes for it. I can install the long tubes myself because I have a daily to get me to work and everything. So now I have two cars. So the reason why I'm naming this I bought another Mustang was because I was gonna buy another Mustang, you guys, but some stuff didn't fall through. I was looking for a V6 SN95 just to build up, you know, and that way I could swap over parts, and you know, parts I didn't use with my Mustang, I could have put them on there, like lights, bumpers, spoilers, shit like that, you know. But you know, I'm gonna just get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys real quick the car, and it's kind of like a coincidence right now that we're matching, but as you guys can see, man, it's a little 2004 Hyundai Sonata. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. It has 170,000 miles on it, cold AC, it runs like a dream, you guys. It just has some cosmetic stuff done, messed up with it, but it's a little gas saver. It's gonna get me around and do what I have to do, and I'm gonna be able to keep the miles off the Mustang. I'm probably gonna just drive the Mustang on the weekends or whenever I feel like driving stick again, because this is a good thing about this, it's automatic, and you know, I like it, man. It's like, it's ugly, but it's cool to me, you know, because it's an automatic, and I'm like, you know, I'm happy that I finally have another car that I can drive around and I could just chill with, you know, not always you know, I love manual, you know, but it did get annoying sometimes, and my car is extremely loud and obnoxious, and that did get annoying sometimes. So it's, you know, it's nice for a change, man. And I only got this car for $1,000, guys. So look, check this out. For $1,000 you're gonna be like, oh, it's a ratty car. Check this out. Okay, so it did come with the Steelies on it, right? I might put some hubcaps on it. Let me know what you guys think. It has some little sunburn right there. You know, if this place looks familiar, this is actually the first place I filmed the review on my car. It has a little rust hole right here. You know, it has new tires. I could buy hubcaps for it. You know, it's a little bit of paint missing right here. It doesn't have any tint, but I'm gonna be tinting that soon. Little dent right here in the fender. I'm actually probably gonna redo the headlights because they're a little foggy, but you know, they're bright. They do what they need to do. Yeah, it's a little walk around. The door is kind of it's pretty smashed in right here. Like I said, guys, it's a daily, so I don't really care. It doesn't bother me, you know. People, I'll pull up anywhere with this car, man, and people are like, oh, that's embarrassing. Like, I don't care, man. I have a clean Mustang at the crib, you know. I don't really care. I mean, at the end of the day, I don't really care what people think about me, you know. It's like, whatever. Like, honestly, if this was my first car, like, I'd be grateful to drive it, you know. Like, the 2004 has AC, it has a sunroof, the interior is mint. Look, I'm gonna show you guys the interior real quick. Alright, well, I have my sweater and stuff in here, but check it out. Clean ass door panel. The cloth looks like it's never freaking been sat in, you guys. Look at this. Clean, automatic, 172,000 miles. The guy just put an oil change in it, stuff like that. Check it out. I just almost tried to put the clutch in. Runs super smooth, cold AC. The check engine light did turn on. I actually just got it checked though. I'm gonna leave this door open because I'm not sure if it's gonna lock automatically like my car. Yeah, man, it runs stout. The check engine light just turned on actually last night when I was just driving it around. It's the catalytic converter code, so it's either a catalytic converter or an O2 sensor, so I'm not really worried about it. Now, I'm not sure if that's gonna mess up the MPG on it, but you know, it's getting crazy amount of gas mileage compared to the Mustang, man. So yeah, we could talk a little bit more about what happened with the Mustang that I was gonna get. I'll post up some pictures right now just so you guys can get an idea. I'm actually gonna get in the car, man. It's hot out here. Alright, you guys, so I actually found this red Mustang online, right, and they had it posted for $1,400. So this is what made me think, like, okay, like maybe it's a decent car, you know, it drives good. I'm not sure if I have a picture of the ad. I'll post up a picture on the ad if I have it. But you know, I was like, how much would you really take? Long story short, $1,200. He said $1,200. I was like, why do I always do that? $1,100. So I told him $1,100. He's like, yeah, come get it, whatever. Clean title under my name, everything. It just needs a little bit of cosmetic work, you know, stuff like that. He's like, this car will drive you to California and back, no leaks. Oh my god. I drove 70 miles in my dad's diesel truck. It's lifted on tires. I wasted about $75 on, you know, it was 135 miles. It was $70 in diesel, and I drove all the way over there. And long story short, guys, this thing was just absolutely trashed. The interior didn't have a center console. You know, I was like, okay, I'll find that junkyard. The AC didn't work. The heater worked badass. The AC didn't work. He didn't have a door panel. This window wouldn't roll up. The tint was so messed up. The tint was so messed up on the back, I couldn't see out the back window. I mean, the engine did run stout, but he said it wasn't leaking or anything. I looked underneath and it was leaking a lot of oil, you know, so you know, that kind of got on my nerves. It kind of made me mad a little bit. And the body work, you guys, it wasn't just, oh, it needs some body work. No, it was like really bad, you know. The body work was like horrendous on it. The hood was like all chopped up, which I don't care because I have a hood at the house. You know, you guys, I got the carbon fiber hood. I have the white hood in my backyard. Man, this sun's messing me up. Let me try to block it. Hold my arm like that. See, I don't got no tint on this, you guys. I'm probably gonna tint it today, but let me put my head in the way. Alright, so yeah, the hood was messed up. I was like, okay, not big deal. There wasn't a piece of this car, you guys, that wasn't dented or wasn't in like horrible shape, you know. Like, okay, this car, the fender is a little bit dented, the door is kind of messed up, but compared to that red car, this car is like an 10, like a 10 out of 10 compared to that car. Like, that car looks like a fucking rally car. Like, that car, oh my god. I'm just gonna post up the pictures just so you guys can see how deceiving, you know, these pictures were. You know, I did waste $70 going over there, and like I wasted my time, and it was like if I rolled down the window and just threw my money out of the window. It was really annoying. He told me the least he would take was $900. I'm really glad I didn't buy it for $800 because I offered him $800, and that thing was so trashed, you guys. Like, I don't even think that it would last, you know. And then the AC was fucked up on it. This car, honestly, for a little daily, you guys can see how clean the interior is, and you know, it drives around perfectly fine. It's really good on gas. It's gonna do exactly what I need it to do, you know. The reason why I wanted to get another Mustang though was, you know, so I can incorporate it on the channel, reach out to another audience, the V6 audience. I know the V6 audience probably watches me anyway, so because you guys can see the mods and stuff. But you know, I was gonna do little things like lower it, maybe paint it, but this thing was just, it was far from a daily driver. It was like a project car, and that's not what I'm really looking for. You know, I wanted a little car to get me around, and this thing is it, man. This car, I literally you know, it looks pretty funny, you know. I'm not gonna lie, I never pictured myself driving one of these. I'm probably gonna change the radio out with the radio that's in my Mustang and put a screen in the Mustang. But this thing is stupid clean. I need some tint on the windows. Look, it looks like my windows are freaking rolled down, but you know, it's stupid clean. I really cannot wait to you know, just do a lot of things to this thing, man. This car is gonna do exactly what I need it to do, again, like I said, and you know, I'm stoked for it. Next thing I was gonna tell you guys, I know it's not a Mustang, it's not a V6, but you know, there might be some people interested in this car or what I do to it, you know, kind of maybe like a daily vlog so you guys can like keep up with me and see what I'm doing, you know. And it wouldn't bother me to film stuff on this car, like little stuff. Like I said, I'm probably gonna change the radio because it doesn't have an auxiliary cord. I'm gonna tint it. Maybe put some hubcaps on it, I don't know, fix the door, you know, make it look real nice and change the headlights and stuff. And you know, this is just gonna be temporary, man. I bought it for $1,000, like I said. What a steal for a car like this. You know, it's just gonna be temporary for now because I started this new job, guys. I forgot to tell you, I just started a new job, and you know, just opening a lot of doors for me. You know, it's probably gonna be temporary. I might buy a newer, like I want to buy a truck, honestly, so I can start towing this thing around and stuff. So this might be like just like a little money maker for now. And you know, if my dad or my mom doesn't really want to buy my little brother or my little sister's older, if they don't want to buy them a car, you know, I'd be glad to give this car to them because this is like a perfect starter car, you know. You know, I was pretty fortunate for my dad to buy me my Jeep. I don't know why it cut me off. I was pretty fortunate for my dad to buy me my Jeep that I first had. I'll post up a picture right here. I posted it in one of my old videos, but I'm getting a lot of you guys in now, so post up a picture of my old build. It's gonna be right here. I love that thing. It just gave me a lot of problems. That's why I got rid of it, and then this thing came to be about. So I was blessed that my dad gave me a threshold of $3,000 to work on. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I did everything myself because I didn't. My dad gave me $3,000 to buy a car. I bought the Jeep, I built it up, you know. I did a lot of work to it, and I ended up selling it for $9,000 later on after I put the lift kit, tires, all kinds of stuff, man. And I ended up selling that for $9,000 and buying my car for $4,500, doing the little mods here and there, painting it, you know. That's a little backstory on how I got the car, what I did to the car. You know, so I'm not sure what my dad or my mom was gonna do for my little brother and my little sister. You know, I'm like, why make my dad spend another $3,000 or something like that on looking for a car for my little brother and my little sister when they could drive this around, you know? This is like a perfect little car, and by the time I'm done with it, it's gonna look like not now, you know? It's gonna look in good, like really good condition. So let me know, should I just paint these steelies right now that are on it, or should I put hubcaps on it, or like what would you guys think? What would you guys do? So like I said, guys, this is the new daily. I'm super excited to be driving this thing around. You know, I'm gonna miss driving the car around, but then it's gonna give me a little break from it, you know, make me appreciate it a little bit more. I'm excited for this, man. Just really excited to have two cars, be able to work on the Mustang some more, and you know, just get on with the build. And this is gonna just open a shitload of opportunities for me, you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this one, please drop it a big thumbs up. That means so much to me. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys thought about this little video, and what do you think about that red Mustang? What do you think about the car? You know, I don't really care if you call it ugly, or you know, it is ugly. You know, I feel like it's like a cool ugly though. You know, it's chilling, man. I don't really care. It does what it needs to do. It's good on gas, and you know, I couldn't ask for more. So yeah, man, let me know what you guys thought. If you guys want to see videos on this car, you know, I do not care. If you guys want to stick Mustang strict, you know, and just be putting videos on the Mustang, I would do that as well. But if some of you guys want to see like me tint this car, or like, you know, just want to see more about what I do and stuff, I'll be down like to make videos on this car, like, you know, just tinting it, fixing it up, you know. And you know, I wouldn't care. Like, there's just more content for you guys. I love making videos, I love editing videos, so you know, I don't care. Yeah, like I said, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Please drop a like if you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much. 1,400 subscribers. Thank you guys so much, man. We're on our way to 1,500, and then we're gonna hit 5K. You know, it's just gonna keep on growing from here. Thank you guys so much for watching again. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. We're out, boys. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Shit, or we can make it a drip car, who knows? See you guys next time, bro. Later.